Good morning. Let's go replant some beans. Yeah, there is. This one's kind of... So we got the planter unfolded, and we let it down, and we evened out all the seed boxes, like the level of seed in there. The goal is to not run out of seed, because we are replanting, but it's just a lot easier when the boxes are completely empty to clean the planter out. So that is the goal of today. So evenly plant all the replants and patchy spots, so we don't need to clean the planter out. Still gotta clean it out, but you know what I mean. It's 31 boxes with seed in there is not fun, so that is a go today. Overall, this field looks pretty good. It starts up here with the headland where we refill the planter. Pretty happy with it. Alright, now we're going to move over to the telephone field where there's, I don't know, 15, 20 telephone poles with a 40-foot planter. It's not the best field, but it'll do. Row number 13 is giving me fits the whole day. It's just a sensor. I need to replace the sensor. Maybe I just don't know how to use this technology. I don't know. And just like that, 2023 beans are done. Replants. So now I'm going to get this thing cleaned up, the planter, blow everything off, grease the chains, open up the seed disc, and let the brushes breathe for the summer, winter, and get it ready for next fall, I suppose. Clean, clean, clean. So I got him all cleaned up today. Just washed it. Didn't do nothing special. Just want to get the back end clean and all the dirt off of it. Don't look too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. It's good enough for summer storage, and we'll see him in the fall. Maybe I'll give him a wax. I haven't decided yet. We'll see. Stay tuned. Do some side dressing, shall we? We have our 4430 hooked up to the applicator, getting ready to go back behind the house and side dress that. So this is our spare workhorse. We don't really have to get it out too much. I just had it painted last year, put a new bed on it. It used to be a fire truck. I'll show a picture of a fire truck of what it looked like 2 years ago. Had a big bed on it. It's painted about to take off, but it turned out really, really sharp. It only has like 14,000 miles on it, 16,000. Yeah, it turns out really sharp. It's definitely my dad's pride and joy. Came out of Georgia, had it shipped up here. Now hauls fertilizer tanks around and carries seed. I'll touch up on the fire truck in some later videos, but for now, that's what you get. So far, this is definitely not going as planned. Can't get 2 of the rows to spit any fertilizer out, so. He's gonna toy with that. See if there's any gunk buildup. So the issue we're having, see how this one has a nozzle on it? Yeah, this don't. We're not getting pressure on that side. So the co-op's gonna come and put a nozzle on that. Hopefully that'll take care of the issue. I will say this is probably one of the better looking corn crops we've had in this field. We did tile it about 7 years ago. I think we're finally starting to see the effects of it. And we went about 30 days without rain this last month, and we got, I think, 3 inches of rain over the course of 3 days. The seed to soil contact we had in this field was incredible. We plowed it under last year, and it just all settled nice and worked up great, besides the east half. But overall, it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty excited about it. Hopefully we can continue having rain, and so does everybody else. So this week we decided to pull the trigger on auto steer for our 4955. It's an ag leader system with a 1200 in-command display or something. I don't know anything about technology, so this is going to be a huge upgrade, I hope. The plan is to double crop beans in our wheat after we take it off, so that'd be kind of nice. I don't know if I'll be able to see my marker without it, so hopefully it's in by then, but it's definitely a big leap. It's expensive. I will let you know how it is. Right now it has a GPS 150 or 1500 on it. It's going to be upgraded to a 7500, so that'll be pretty neat, and I'm looking forward to it. So hopefully I'll be able to get a good review. I have no idea if I'll be able to bounce the system between tractors, because I'd love to put it on the 9250, but primarily it's going to stay on the 4955. So we'll see if it's easy to bounce around. Short video today though, but wheat harvest coming up. I'll be showing some videos about how to change the combine over to wheat. We have a 9860, so that's on the agenda. Thanks for watching.